Hey garden lovers! Since I've been traveling back and forth while my husband works in Kauai, lots of our veggies have been over-ripening. There are lots of ways to preserve your chili pepper harvests, but when they're over-ripened, the options are limited. In this video, we'll share how we are preserving our over-ripened chilies, and we'd love to hear how you preserve yours. Before we share the chili crisp recipe, here is a little bit of information on the chili varieties that we're harvesting now. We harvested lots of serranos and jalapenos that are over-ripened. They're kind of soft and mushy. So that they don't go to waste, we're going to make some chili crisps. They are super easy to make. Remove the stems, get them sliced up in a food processor, add some avocado oil to a sauce pot, add some garlic salt, bring to a boil, reduce the heat, simmer for about 30 minutes, but cooking times will vary. Once the chili pepper color has browned, remove, place on parchment paper for a couple hours until they cool. This will help them crisp up even more, and then get them transferred into a mason jar. One of our favorite go-to snacks is toasting up a slice of homemade sourdough, spreading some Laughing Cow cheese, and then topping it off with this delicious chili crisps. And if you don't have any over-ripened chilies and you want to try chili crisps, here is a great brand.